our soup room sometimes. It's awesome.
We're not at the Long's Peak. That's what we did out.
The thrill here is quicker than you'd think. The way in some jet-lag bar, they pour in the wine from over their heads and sit back down again.
Hey guys, so we're here today on the Herman Creek. No, what's it called?
Grand View Trail.
We're on the Grand View Trail today, folks, and we are just making our way down about a little over a half mile in. Jake, Leanna, and I are kind of holding up the rear because everyone else is just gung-ho to get to camp. But we're going to try to catch them. About 50 degrees, we're at just below 7,000 feet, and we're having a good time. If you look off over here, you'll see all the yin-yangs. Looks like Tim's leading it in his Jansport pack. And you got a couple more yin-yangs behind them. And we're just trucking along. Thanks for joining us. More talking to come.
I'm full as it is, so don't feed me more. You'll be having my head big as a birthday, 'cause I left all my doubts on the airplane.
All right, here we are on day one, about 2.5 miles in, and we reach our first junction.
So we're going to turn left to our assigned campsite, unfortunately.
I'm not invincible.
Okay, this is night one on the Grand Canyon trip, 2019. Christine's got her bag of food. It's important to keep it away from the rodents. Everyone's setting up their tent in a different spot. At the group site here, out at Horseshoe Mesa.
Yeah, this is right here is Landon and mine food for the trip. This will hopefully keep some of the critters off when we hang it. And we got ourselves this baby.
Not many trees.
Nice.
Yeah, I should probably catch it. There you go. Good evening. Hard to see you because of the darkness, but you can go just state your name and your dinner.
Leanna, cold soak, pasta primavera.
And hard not to miss in the orange hat.
Tim, yeah, I'm done eating. I had boiled crawfish with some etouffee and a 6-pack. Feeling pretty good right now.
Nice. So now you have something you wished you had. What did you actually have?
Chicken and dumplings like everybody else.
All right. Alright, the morning of day 2, 8:14 in the morning. Nice brisk breeze coming from the northeast, or I think it's northeast. Got Timothy over here all ready to go. Got a bunch of yin-yangs over here. And everyone's pretty jazzed. Got Leanna working on one of her breakfast bars.
And on this blue thread gear. I don't know if you've heard of them. Go ahead, take a gander.
And not much else to say. Everyone had a good night, it sounded like. And no rats or rodents got into our food, so that's good. Got a long day ahead of us. We're all looking forward to it.
How did I get here?
So we begin our descent down to Cottonwood Creek. Day 2. I don't know what time it is. It doesn't matter. Because we're all having a great time. We're in this little narrow chute going straight down to the creek, 1,000-foot drop. And Leanna and I just finished up our breakfast bars. And yeah, pretty much we're just having a great time. The group dynamics are coming into check and everyone's getting along. A potential wrong turn was made by the leaders of the pack here. They're currently stranded out here on this cliffside. Some intense discussions going on, and it's easy to slip. The consequences are real. I'd like to point out that nobody has taken a chance to look at the map yet to actually confirm where we should go. I'm going to turn off this camera and do that now.
A bit of an update here. This is day 2 heading towards Grapevine drainage right here on the right. Down below us where there's a stream down there, we'll fill up water and have our lunch. Listen, we're maybe 6 miles into the hike for the day, maybe 7. Doing pretty good right now. They're up there pointing out the drainage, trying to figure out where they're gonna get water. I guess everyone will start feeling it at lunch, and the afternoon will beautiful day. All right, Grapevine Creek.
Doing good. Doing well.
Fantastic. How y'all doing?
Good. Got a cactus.
Oh, that's not good. So what do you have here? In your shoulder pouches, you got a toothbrush.
Toothbrush, sunblock, some snacks, gum.
Okay.
No trash, my camera pouch.
Pouch, salad.
Alright, we're making our way. On day 2, we're about maybe a mile away from Boulder Creek, which would be, I think, like 12 miles for the day. Everyone's doing pretty good. It's been pretty good weather, not too hot, but definitely in the sun all day, which can wear on you. Tim's cramping up a little bit, but he's powering on.
Alright, we've made it to camp, day number 2, and we are in the Grapevine Dispersed Camping Area. So yeah, basically what's going on is she's pumping up the 2-person pad. I got some chili mac soaking up. I'll let you guys know what's going on the other side of camp here. We got Tim over in the other end here. He just got his pad pumped up, and he's putting his hammock on the ground for a sleeping system. Chomper's got his pack just sprawled open here from the center. So as you can see, I have underwear, rope, gloves, whatnot. Easily access all that.
Oh, rope?
Paracord. Glow in the dark too. Christina's doing some braceleting. And finally over to this little guy. We got the Nemo Hornet 2P. Yeah, so that's basically the camp. There's the trail right there, the Tano Trail. You got a beautiful sunset hitting the canyon walls. And we're all about to have dinner and have a nice evening. Off we go, filing in for day 3, 6:22 in the morning. The sun is just about to rise, and these guys, they did a really nice job getting ready this morning, and unfortunately they had to wait for me at the very end. Not really. And off we go. A long day ahead of us, 15 miles potentially. Should be a good day.
Follow me now. there is somewhere I want to go. You know me well, and that is how it is, it is, it is. You don't know how this came to be.
All right, it's day 3. Time is about 10:56 in the morning. We're here in Cremation drainage, the 3rd drainage to the west on the Grand Canyon trip. You can see we're setting up the tents quite early, before 11 a.m. We're camping here for the night. We're going to make our way down to Phantom Ranch to the Colorado River, which will be about roughly a 5-mile out and back. It's about 10 miles additionally today, but
Kidding me? I got a pool, I got snacks.
Follow me down, there is somewhere I want to go. Up on the stars, or down below, 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 below. You don't know how this came to be.
Wait in line and get what you guys want. Well, I think I'll sleep down here tonight.
Cheers.
cheers.
I got a Reese's peanut butter cup given to me by this man, JC. I like the guy a little bit more now after getting this. And a nice cold glass of
Finally
lemonade.
coming around, nice.
That's right. Alright, we're down here at Phantom Ranch, getting some great, refreshing water on the face and the body. Briefly went in earlier, he's going in just to show y'all how it works. There they both are. Morale is high. You got these two yings down yonder. Here's a slow zoom coming in. We got a long trek ahead of us, but for now we're going to ignore that fact and enjoy the moment. Amen to that.
Breaking down, your days getting longer. There's a yellow glass dragon who's chasing you around. Sit your head on a silver jet stream of the smoke is rising over your thoughts and your dreams. Watch out, you watch them fall down. Your nuts and bolts are all over the ground. You get out, you get out. You get out. Something's leaking. It leaks from your eyes while the tears by surprise. Stop wasting your words from around as you're running out of thoughts as your bird's burning out. Watch as it flows.
I hope I'm underestimating myself.
Okay, time is about 4:35 on the morning, April 2nd. So basically what's going on is we are waking up really early to get up to the rim, up and out of the Grand Canyon, because Tim has a 4:45 departure in the afternoon from Las Vegas. So he left at about 3:25 in the morning, about an hour before we did.
And we're making our ascent, day number 4, up the mountain, all the way to the top of the canyon rather. Yep. Making it. Yeah. What's your name?
I'm Josh.
Josh made it in the.
Show up in your video.
Josh made it. Thanks, Josh. Skylar made it too. Oscar made it. Or Oliver, I mean, right? Leanna made it. And JC made it. Even this little guy, VIP, made it. Yeah, guys. Mad props. Give me some high fives.
Yeah.
Yeah, high five. Yeah. JC, high five. That's what's up. Yeah, we did it. Yo, that was awesome.
Cheers.
Cheers.